In this video, I'll show you how you can equip a ReBreather in GTA 5 Online. And before you can equip it, you have to buy it. So all you have to do is go to any ammunition store on the map and then navigate to the gear section and interact with it. And then ensure that you have bought the ReBreather. So as you can see, I have around 17 out of 20 of them. And then once you have purchased it, all you have to do is simply bring up the interaction menu by pressing M on your keyboard if you're on PC. If you're on PS5, simply press and hold the touchpad and it should bring the interaction menu. Then from here, scroll down and select Appearance and then choose Accessories. And then from here, choose the gear section and then navigate and find the ReBreather. As you can see, now I have equipped my ReBreather. So once you exit, you can now have your ReBreather equipped. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.